Switching languages on Paramount Plus is a straightforward process, and today I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Paramount Plus. The process is very simple. First, you need to go to Paramount Plus and log into your account. If you want to change the language of the entire interface, go to your profile settings where you will find an option for language settings. However, if you are watching something and want to change the language for that specific content, you need to follow a similar process. While watching a show or movie, look for the language or audio icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon will allow you to select the desired language from the available options. Unfortunately, I don't have an active Paramount Plus subscription at the moment to demonstrate, but the icon and its functionality are similar to what you would find on other streaming services like Netflix, where the language settings can be changed from the top right corner of the playback screen. That's pretty much it. I hope you find this guide helpful.